Hello. I'm fine, thanks.
Hey Anna, you're back. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Do you ever find that you don't have the vocabulary to express how you are feeling? One of the most overused phrases in English by both native speakers and English learners is, "I'm fine." We use this phrase when we're happy, sad, tired, angry. The list is endless. However, it often doesn't reflect how we're truly feeling in that moment. In today's video, we'll be looking at vocabulary and phrases which will help you express how you really feel.
Oh, I am delighted to hear that you got the job. You must be over the moon. This news has really cheered me up.
I just used 3 alternative ways to express happiness. Did you catch them all? Let's have another listen.
Oh, I am delighted to hear that you got the job. You must be over the moon. This news has really cheered me up.
We can use the word delighted to convey that we're really happy about something. The phrase over the moon is also used to convey how happy or pleased we're feeling. To cheer someone up is, you've guessed it, everyone's favourite, a phrasal verb. It means to make someone happy, particularly after they've been feeling a little bit down. I hope today's video cheers you up. Here's a word to express how I'm feeling right now. Energized. Oh, and here's another one. Motivated. So I'm making the most of this feeling and I am getting ready to go for a run. Well, actually a sprint to be exact. This sprint is going to be epic. It's going to last for 2 months, and if I can push through by the end of it, it will be hugely rewarding, 100% rewarding. In case any of you are confused, Anna isn't going to be running for 2 months. She's in fact talking about the Lingoda Language Sprint, which starts on the 11th of February. Loads of super keen language students from all over the world will start this intensive learning method, taking either 30 or 60 classes over 2 months. And if they succeed, then they will receive up to 100% cashback on their course fees. Woo-hoo! So if you're ready to become a sprint champion, then pull up your socks and click the link below. Choose your language: English, Business English, German, French or Spanish. Choose your intensity level: sprint or super sprint. Attend all of your classes and then claim your prize. It's a big challenge, I know, but the rewards will be huge. So if your New Year's resolution is to reach new heights in your target language, then the Lingoda Language Marathon is just what you need to stay motivated and committed to your goal. Now, join with my link and the code and you can get €20 or $25 off your deposit. Question is, are you ready for the challenge? Let's go.
No. No, they can't kill off Dr. McGorgeous. Oh, I'm heartbroken. Oh, I'm going to feel down about this for weeks. Oh, babe. I'm devastated.
Did you catch the 3 ways I used to express my sadness about my most loved character being killed off my favourite TV programme? Try again.
No. No, they can't kill off Dr. McGorgeous. Oh. Oh, I'm heartbroken. Oh, I'm going to feel down about this for weeks. Oh, babe. I'm devastated.
We used heartbroken to express the overwhelming sadness we sometimes experience. To feel down or to be down is used to express how sad we're feeling. It's often used with quantifiers like a bit. I've been a bit down recently. I think it's because of the bad weather. Devastated is a strong way to convey how sad or upset we are about something or someone.
What do you mean you're 2 hours late? Oh, you really know how to make my blood boil. You know, John will be furious. He's always flying off the handle.
Sometimes people can really boil your blood. Did you hear the 3 expressions I used to express my anger? Have another go.
What do you mean you're 2 hours late? Oh, you really know how to make my blood boil. You know, John will be furious. He's always flying off the handle.
The expression to boil someone's blood means to make someone extremely angry or annoyed. You can also use furious as a strong synonym for angry. To fly off the handle is an idiom which we use when someone is so angry that they lose control of their emotions. I hope my students don't fly off the handle when I tell them about the end of term exam.
Oh. I'm sorry, sweetie, I can't watch a film. I'm knackered. Oh, I've been exhausted all week. It's just been crazy at work. Hopefully tomorrow I'll feel a little bit less drained. See you later.
Did you hear the 3 ways I expressed tiredness? Have another listen.
Oh. I'm sorry, sweetie, I can't watch a film. I'm knackered. Oh, I've been exhausted all week. It's just been crazy at work. Hopefully tomorrow I'll feel a little bit less drained. See you later.
Knackered is an informal British expression which means to be extremely tired. In other contexts, it can also mean broken. Can you give me a lift to work? My car is knackered. In a more formal context, we can use exhausted to also express extreme tiredness. And to be or to feel drained is when we're so tired that we barely have any energy left. I hope this video doesn't leave you feeling drained. Let's see how well you've remembered today's vocabulary and phrases. We learnt 12 new ways to express happiness, sadness, anger and tiredness. I want you to pause the video and take a minute to see if you can recall them all. Time's up. Let's see how you've done. For other ways to express happiness, we've learnt delighted, to be over the moon and to cheer someone up. To express sadness, we've learned heartbroken, to be or to feel down and devastated. When we want to show how angry we are, we learned furious, to make someone's blood boil and to fly off the handle. And finally, tiredness. We learned drained, knackered and exhausted. Well, if you're not feeling too knackered, I'd be over the moon if you could add a comment. Why not practice some of the vocabulary and phrases that you saw today and tell me how you're feeling? And if you'd like to download the PDF of this lesson, then click on the link in the description below, fill out your details and we'll send that PDF to you. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.
And cut.
Whew.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, no, I am feeling a little bit drained, if I'm honest.
Should we go and get some food?
Oh, do you know what? Why not? Food always cheers me up. Let's do it.